hello guys. I'm doing unboxing to my birthday present. So I'm gonna do first this one. Unboxing for headphone. Yes, this is my first unboxing. This is part of my birthday present, guys. So this one, Pro, blue. It's the brand is Logitech Pro. Logitech Pro. It's Pro X. Logitech Pro X. So, tring, pick. This is the Logitech Manual on how to use it. If you like to read sim like this, so you can read. Yes, and they have like this. Same like your unboxing bags. There is just like this. Lalagyan. Mabango. Yeah, and this is for if you want to search logitech.com, you can search all information over there. And there is an extra for your headphones. This one, the foam, the memory foam, I think. And this is the headset. Dahan-dahan lang kasi may tumitingin. Gusto niya, dahan-dahan lang. Oh, this one, guys. So guys, this is the microphone to connect the headset. So you can connect the headset in the, of course, in the front of your, like that. So you can talk if you're doing games, if you're live streaming. So I can hear you clearly. You can hear me clearly too. So like that, guys. And the next one, this one, if you're traveling or riding an airplane, you can use this one. Not necessarily you can use every day or what. If you're traveling, you can use this kind of cord. So I'm gonna put there. And this one, guys, is to connect your computer if you doing live streaming or connect to your phone. Yeah. So there is the sign. This one. This is the sign of the cord, so that you're not gonna be. Yeah. This one. This is the sign for connecting to your computer. This cord. This one for your headset or headphone, like this. And this one, it's headphone too. And this one is for your cell phone. You can use this one, this cord to your cell phone, connect to your cell phone. Yeah, it's easy lang, guys. It's so easy. And this one, I think the volume, you can listening music, or if they connect to computer, you can volume or low or what. You just turn like that. Yeah. This is the first one for my unboxing. And this one is the if you don't like, if you want, this one is the extra one. This is the foam. I gave it to you. Yeah, like that. This one. See? Because this one is the leather one. But if you don't like the leather one, so you can replace this one, the smoother one. So maybe I'm gonna replace that one later. I'm gonna try this one first if it's okay to my ear. Yeah. So this is my Logitech Pro X Headphone. See? Medyo mahal to, guys. Yes. There's the other one, guys. If you have a big head or small head, you can expand like that if you have a big head so that it's fit. But mine no need to expand because I have a small head, so I'm gonna put normal like that, just like that. Or if you want a little sampak gid sa tainga mo, so you can like that. Look, see? Okay. So this is the testing, my test. Guys, ready to fly, fly above the sky. Okay. So guys, now I put my headset to continue unboxing all of my stuff. I just record, I just test. Comment down below which the better. The first one without headset or the second one that I have headset. So, yeah. Next guys, unboxing is this one. The Advanced MK540 wireless keyboard and of course mouse, wireless mouse. So this is the second stuff that I'm unboxing. So I will show you what's inside. Of course, keyboard. Yes, so yeah, this is what's inside. Wow, it's big. So it's Logitech, product of Logitech. So alam nyo niya what's the next one, guys, kasi meron na siyang dito. So this is the one. Nice. This is nice for like connect to your computer for gamings. You know, no need to always facing in the front of your computer. You just type, and then yes, using for the mouse, ching like that, you know. So this is the second unboxing for my birthday present, guys. This is the USB dangle. Yeah, I forgot. I am always throw it away, but do not throw it away if you buy just like this, guys. And then yes, this is the small one. This is USB dangle. This is if you're talking to your computer. This is the one to connect of your computer. So there is turn and off here. This one you can turn off like that if you use it, and then you need to turn off if you don't use it, so that the battery is long last. But it says the battery is 36 months battery life for keyboard. And this one same, you can turn on if you use it, you can turn off if you don't, so that the battery is long last too. It said 18 months battery life for this mouse. Yes, that one. And this one, if you're typing or using computer or gaming, you can adjust this one how high, like that. You can use type blah 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 like that. or you can like that, or you can like that, so you can chuk 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 chuk. Yes. And yeah, remind, this is the small one, the small one. Yeah. Okay, so the last but not the least is this one. Chiding! This is the main birthday present that what I'm waiting for, guys. So unboxing. Oh, chitting. Woo! Yay! So this one, guys, is Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 31505. This is the gaming computer, guys. Lenovo. Safety and warranty guide. Yes, one. So, yeah, this is the one for games, for gamings. This is exclusive for gamings. This is exclusive for gamings, guys. So, kidding. This is the block. I am not expected that he's gonna be give it to me. Chang. But it's black. Black. Woo! Yay, this one. It's black. Lenovo. Yes, Lenovo. Choo. Chang. Oh my goodness, guys. This is my computer. Exclusive for gamings, but I can still use this one for live streaming, for YouTube, Twitch, etc. So, this is GeForce GTX Intel Core i7 10th Gen. I don't know that one. E-support. There is IdeaPad Gaming 3. Game is ready. So, FHD IPS display, high performance thermal adapter, charger, power cord. You can do, yes, and this is for battery. That's common for the computer, battery.
That's not the battery, that's the power bank.
Oh, the power bank. Power bank
Actually,
pala.
it's called a transformer.
Testing. Testing. My husband helped me to testing. Try to testing if it's work. It's shown Lenovo. It's shown Lenovo, guys. Lenovo. Adobo. So it's just
You can say yes, or you can press yes.
yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Connect.
The first one on the list. Want to use that one?
Connect.
Now type your credentials.
That's the password.
Next.